If you're looking for a quick and nutritious way to start your day, oatmeal might be the perfect choice. Not only is it delicious and easy to make, but it also has numerous health benefits that make it a great choice for breakfast. Here are just a few reasons why you should consider eating oatmeal every day. 1. Oatmeal is a whole grain. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet because they are rich in fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Oatmeal is especially high in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. In addition to its fiber content, oatmeal is also a good source of important nutrients like vitamins B and E, magnesium, and zinc. 2. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index and is low in calories. This makes it an excellent alternative for anyone attempting to lose weight or regulate their blood sugar levels. The low glycemic index of oatmeal means that it won't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels after you eat it, making it a good choice for people with diabetes or other conditions that require careful management of blood sugar levels. 3. Oatmeal can help with weight loss. The combination of its high fiber and low calorie content makes oatmeal a great choice for people who are trying to lose weight. The fiber in oatmeal can help you feel fuller longer, which can help you eat less throughout the day. In addition, the slow-digesting carbohydrates in oatmeal can help to keep you feeling satisfied and energized for longer periods of time, which can be especially helpful if you are trying to cut back on snacking. 4. Oatmeal is a good source of fiber, which can help to relieve constipation. Soluble fiber, the type found in oats, absorbs water and helps to soften stools, making them easier to pass. For best results, it's important to drink plenty of fluids when increasing your fiber intake to help the fiber work effectively. 5. Oatmeal is versatile. One of the great things about oatmeal is that it can be prepared in many different ways. You can top it with fruit, nuts, and honey for a sweet breakfast, or add savory ingredients like cheese and vegetables for a more filling meal. There are also many different types of oatmeal to choose from, including old-fashioned oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats, so you can find the one that works best for you. 6. Oatmeal is easy to make and convenient. Oatmeal is one of the quickest and easiest breakfast options around. You can make it on the stovetop or in the microwave, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. If you're short on time in the morning, you can even make a batch of oatmeal at the beginning of the week and portion it out into individual servings to eat throughout the week. Overall, eating oatmeal every day is a simple and tasty way to improve your health and start your day off right. So next time you're looking for a quick and nutritious breakfast, consider giving oatmeal a try. With its numerous health benefits and versatility, it's a great choice for people of all ages and lifestyles. However, it is important to remember that oatmeal is still a food and should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. It's also a good idea to mix up your diet and eat a variety of meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. There are many ways to eat oatmeal. Here are a few ideas. 1. Basic oatmeal. Cook rolled oats in water or milk and top with your favorite toppings like nuts, berries, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with milk or yogurt and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, top with your favorite toppings. 3. Baked oatmeal. Mix oats with eggs, milk, and your choice of fruit and bake in the oven until set. 4. Oatmeal smoothie. Blend cooked oats with milk, fruit, and a scoop of protein powder for a filling smoothie. 5. Oatmeal bowls. Top cooked oats with a fried egg, avocado, and salsa for a savory breakfast bowl. 6. Oatmeal pancakes. Mix oats into your favorite pancake batter for a hearty twist on a breakfast classic. 7. Oatmeal muffins. Mix oats into muffin batter and bake for a portable breakfast or snack. 8. Oatmeal energy balls. Mix oats with nut butter, honey, and your choice of mix-ins like chocolate chips or shredded coconut and roll into balls for a grab-and-go snack. Do you eat oats regularly? How do you prepare them? Share your recipes in the comments below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy stuff.